Good afternoon, Shaurya. How are you? Can you hear me? Hello, Shaurya. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. He's coming. He's coming. Just I log in.
Okay, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guru Namaha. White to play and get a queen. Excuse me. White to play and get a queen. White to play and get a queen. White to play and get a queen.
Sir, BF4.
BF4. No unstoppable queen. H6, correct. First, why for the first itself H6 is not possible? H6 is not possible first one.
Sir, then F4.
Then F4, correct.
Sir, what if king does not kill?
King, then whatever you do, it will be unstoppable queen, no? 1 minute also.
Okay, sir.
If king doesn't...
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Judah. How are you? Good afternoon, Judah.
Fine, sir. Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Okay, what will you do now? You play. You have to... It is forced to move. King is forced to move. No moves are possible for black. It is called passed pawn. Now what will you do?
Yes, sir.
Stop that queen. Black to plain win. Black to plain win. I'll flip. Black to plain win. Black to plain win.
Sir, rook to E1.
Rook to E1. Who told that? Rook into E1, what will you do?
The pawn into E1.
That is wrong. Then queen will kill the pawn. You have to
Pawn
get
push.
it.
Pawn push
No,
to
no.
E1.
Sir, D1, sir, D1.
No. Queen moment. Queen moment.
Sir, Queen D4. If Queen,
Who told that?
Sir, Judah, sir.
Judah, correct. Now queen to D4. Now pawn to rook.
Pawn to E3. E1, sir.
Pawn to
Checkmate.
E1.
Checkmate.
I told that first move of
Yes.
the rook E1.
Oh, you have to tell both the moves, Shaurya. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
White to plain win. White to plain win. I'll flip the board. White to plain win.
Sir, RG7.
RG7, okay. King, what will you do? 1 minute. King moves to H8.
Sir, RH7.
H7. King moves to G8.
Sir, Rook H8.
Rook H8, okay. King into H8.
G7.
This one, correct. Who told that? Judah told it. Correct, Judah. Very good. Now king moves here. 1, 2.
Sir,
Sir,
pawn into rook, sir.
Get it. Correct.
Now it's unstoppable mate also, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Samarth. ಹೇಗಿದೆಯೋ ಕಣ?
Sir, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? White to play in get a queen. Out the win. White to play in win.
Sir, rook c8.
Sir, RF4.
RC8. Then black.
Rook
Black will
f3.
get it.
Rook
Black will get
f3.
it.
Rook
Sorry.
rook
RC8.
f3. Rook g3.
Rook G3
G3.
also wrong. Rook G3 also wrong.
No, sir. Rook f3. First move
Sir,
was rook f3.
Rook F3. Rook F3 is correct. Now now rook moves here.
Sir, what if rook g1?
What
Sir,
will
what
do?
if rook g1?
Rook G3, na?
Sir, rook g1. What if rook g1?
Rook G1, then
After,
king
yeah.
into pawn. King into pawn. King into
Okay,
pawn.
having the
And it's
yes,
winning for black, sir.
It is winning for. Now it's a straightforward win to white. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
So how?
Now what will you do? Whatever you do, you will get a queen.
Sir, can I go back?
Okay. Now what will you play? Rook F3.
RF3.
RF3. What will you play? What will you play?
Sir, now what if RF5, RGF5?
R G F5. Then no. Rook here. 1 minute. Rook into rook first. Rook into rook. Pawn to
Sir,
rook.
pawn into rook.
Then rook here. Rook C8. Rook C8. Unstoppable.
It's 4.
What took you? What I tell you? What I tell?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
White to play in win. Anjali, are you there? Anjali?
Yes, sir.
White to play in win. White to play in win.
Sir, RF7. Pawn F7. Pawn F7.
Pawn. Pawn F7, then rook will go to D6. F6. It is wrong.
Sir,
Don't
RG8.
try
Sir,
Dutch. Dutch,
RG6.
please don't.
RG6. Sir, RG6.
RG6 is also wrong. Right? Rook will.
Sir,
Sir, pawn
RG8.
to knight. Sir, pawn to knight.
Pawn to knight, then rook into pawn. That is also wrong.
Sir,
Sir,
RG8.
RH5.
Huh? RH5. 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 Now rook into H5. Now it is unstoppable queen. Pawn.
Sir, pawn into knight.
Pawn into
knight. Pawn into
unstoppable queen. Unstoppable queen.
Yes, sir. Now whatever RE5, nothing will work.
Nothing will different. Today Giridhar has not joined. No, Giridhar has.
Yes.
Black to play in win. Black to play in win. Bold and flexible. Black to play in win.
Sir, is that A pawn passed pawn, sir?
Past, both of them are part one. One has to be created to queen. How will you do that?
Sir, BC3.
BC3, okay.
Sir, BC3.
Now look into C3. Don't write that. Right.
Sir, first move was on
Yes.
E1.
Bishop
Sir,
C3.
bishop E1. Bishop
Sir,
E1.
KG2.
Sir, now king
KG2.
g2. King g2.
Now KG2. Now KG2. Unstoppable queen. Correct.
If RF3, then pawn C3. Pawn C1.
Yes, correct.
Sir, what
No.
if RF?
RF3 and pawn C1 queen. No? One.
Okay, sir. Both
Both
pawns
are-
are promoted.
Only one can get. One Q and Q can get now.
Sir, there is something.
What is
Instead of rook C8. Instead of rook C8.
What will you play now?
Sir,
Bishop C3.
rook
Can you
C8.
get this?
Sir, then white
Problem
on A1. White on A1.
It is moving from
Right.
A2 to A4. A2 to A4, not A1. Did you get it? That A2 to A4 it is moving.
Side
It
is
is-
coming down.
It
White
is
pawn
coming.
is coming down.
White pawn is going up and the black coming down and black pawn is moving up. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
White to play in win. White to play in win. I'll flip the board. White to play.
Sir, BC2.
BC2.
Sir, no, sir.
Bishop. Now king G1.
Sir, RFA.
R8. R8 then look into F8.
Sir, Bishop B3.
Now rook moves. Now pawn push queen. Correct.
And we can also take the rook, sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. That's why why you joined late?
Sir, your internet was very slow.
Oh. Today there is rain. There is internet is strong for me also. Black to play and win. Black to play and win. Black to play and win. Get a queen.
So black or white?
Black to play. Black to play and get a queen.
Sir,
Exchange the
queen to G2. Queen G2, sir.
Queen to G2, then pawn will white queen will kill.
Queen into queen.
Queen to.
Queen.
No, no, pawn into queen.
Then king will move to F2.
Queen.
Queen, king into queen. Now knight E3.
Any three.
Who told that?
Sir, Tarun.
Tarun, correct. Now unstoppable queen. Unstoppable queen.
Sir, the king doesn't kill.
It is
The
forced to
knight-
kill, no?
Yes, sir. Then
The
pawn
pawn-
H2 and H4, it's queen, sir.
Yes. Now it is unstoppable queen. Any
No, sir.
Sir, because if we do it, sir,
Anything.
before moving the knight. Sir, if we do it before moving,
then it
the knight king can go to
then it will be black will win, white
Yes,
will
sir.
win.
that pawn will die, sir.
Pawn will die. That is why any3 is correct.
Yes, sir.
Now
King into knight.
Move to G3. G3,
now
sir.
H2. Now H2. Correct.
Sir, now unstoppable queen, sir.
Unstoppable queen. Unstoppable queen.
E3. Sir, what is E3?
First move is queen E3. Now king into E3. Now knight E3. What will you do? K3 is forced. Then H2. A2. H2.
No, sir. Sorry. F2.
King
Yeah.
F2. Then pawn push queen. Black will win again.
No, sir, before that. Before taking the knight.
F2. Then also pawn push. It is not possible to prevent it.
Okay, sir.
Black to play and win. Black to play and win.
Sir, RD1. RD1.
RD1. King into D1. Correct, Anjali. Very good.
Sir, then pawn into pawn.
Pawn into
Now king moves. Now pawn push queen. Correct. Now
So we can get one more queen by that another pawn.
now we'll go to discovered check.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Black to play and win. Black to play and win.
So you
Sir,
Black.
where is it?
Black.
and now we can.
Sir, sir, D4, D4, sir.
Sir, D4.
D4.
Sir, D4.
D4. Then queen will move here. That's wrong.
Sir, queen into rook.
Queen to rook is correct. Now king into rook. Now
Sir, then pawn D4.
pawn D4. Now pawn D4. Did you get it? You are one rook up. One rook up.
Okay, sir.
I had given this problem previously also.
Sir, we also have a bishop.
Yes, bishop and one rook up. Correct. White to play and win. White to play and win. White to play and win. I'll flip the board. White to play and win.
Sir, rook to D8. Rook to D8.
Now bishop into D8.
So then E7.
E7.
Check. E7 check.
Now king moves, then it's unstoppable checkmate.
So now it's checkmate.
Checkmate.
Yes, sir. After knight e7, rook e7.
Okay.
Rook e8.
Correct. Black to play. Black to play. Black to play in win. Black
Sir,
to play.
queen into knight.
Tarunda, correct. Now queen to queen.
Sir, pawn push e3.
Pawn push e3, correct. Now king moves. Pawn to rook. Pawn to queen.
Pawn to queen, sir.
Pawn to queen. Tomorrow I take different types of gambits. 8 types of gambits I will take tomorrow.
Right is ask pawn.
It is called discovered check. Discovered check. Discovered check. See, now it is discovered check. Pawn push, then discovered check. Bishop is giving
Yes,
discovered.
sir. King has to move.
Yes.
Have a
King is
Can you take it back 1 minute?
What is that? Queen to rook, queen to queen, queen to knight. What will you do?
Can you take it back, sir?
Okay, I've taken back. What will you do? Queen to knight. Now queen to queen first. Now pawn push check. Discovered check. Did you get it? Bishop is giving check.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's clear check.
Black to play in win. Black to play in win. Black
Sir,
to play
one
in
knight up, sir.
one knight up. Black to play.
Sir, bishop into bishop.
Then queen to bishop.
yes,
Sir,
sir.
then sir, then Q8, QG2, sir.
Then check is there. Check is there. Queen to bishop.
Sir,
Check is there.
sir, queen into pawn. Sir, queen into pawn.
Queen to pawn.
Queen into pawn.
Now king into queen.
Sir, bishop into bishop.
Bishop into bishop.
Correct. Now it is one piece up for black. One piece up for black. Did you
Bishop
get
into
it?
queen, sir.
Bishop to queen. Correct. Tomorrow I'll take different types of gambit. 8 types of gambit I'll take. Black to play in win. Black to play in win.
Queen to H1.
Queen to h1, correct.
To G7.
Queen h1 is correct. Now king into h1.
Can you go to the
Sir,
last
now,
problem?
1 minute, I'll go after this.
Sir, now rook to G3.
Rook to
No,
h3.
sir, rook into H3. H3.
Now king moves, rook h1.
The rook H1.
Previous problem ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕೇನೋ ತರುಣ್ ಯಾಕೋ? Okay. What is first moves queen into pawn. Check.
Okay, sir. Got it.
King is close to kill. Now bishop into checkmate. Check. It is discovered check. Now king moves, then
Okay, sir.
bishop into queen.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Black to play in win. Black to play in win. I have
Sir, you gave this problem.
white to play. White to play. I'll flip the board.
can you flip the board?
I'll flip the board.
H5.
Sir, queen h5.
You H5.
Now I'll move g5. What will you do?
Then bishop G6. Check.
Now king moves here.
Sir, then sir, queen to H7.
You H7.
Now king g3 f6.
Then knight E4.
Knight
NE4.
E4.
NE4.
Correct.
NE4.
Okay.
White to play. White to play in win.
Sir, QH7.
Sir,
You H7. Q H7.
Now king into h. King into queen.
queen
Sir,
is
rook e7.
sir, rook e7.
R H4. R H4.
R h7 is correct. Now unstoppable checkmate.
Rook h7.
Rook H7 checkmate.
Discovered check followed by unstoppable checkmate. To play, white to play.
Sir, knight to e7.
NF6.
Knight
Sir,
e7.
ne7.
Now king h8
Sir, now ng6.
and g6. Now pawn to h6.
Sir, pawn into knight.
Pawn to knight checkmate. Correct. Correct. Black to play. Black to play and win.
Sir, I think you gave this problem.
No, this problem I have not given. Black to play. This problem I have not given.
Sir, RG4. RG2.
No, sir,
No.
not. Sir, rook into g2. No. Hello.
Sir, RF4.
RF4, no, then bishop will kill the rook.
I2.
Or G.
Sir, queen f4.
Queen f4, then bishop will kill the queen.
You,
RG2.
Or G2.
you did.
So king into G2. King G2.
So then queen, rook into pawn. Rook into pawn.
Pawn, sir. Rook into pawn.
Now king.
I already said no.
So what if bishop into
So queen g3. Queen g3.
1 minute. Bishop into rook. Bishop into rook, then pawn discovered.
So then e3. Check.
Unstoppable checkmate. Unstoppable.
The bishop into queen into bishop. Yeah.
Correct.
Wait.
So what did you go to H1?
Yeah, bishop is giving check. Bishop is giving check.
Oh yeah, sorry sir.
Bishop is giving check. Now queen took f2. Bishop into f2, then f2 you check. King moves, then bishop into queen.
King F2, King F1 means then again Queen F2.
White to play. White to play. I'll flip the board. White to play. White to play.
Rook into pawn. Rook into pawn, sir.
Rook into pawn.
G.
Queen to pawn. Queen to rook.
Sir, rook
Sir,
into
pawn to
knight.
rook
Rook
into
into
rook.
knight.
Rook into knight.
Rook into knight.
Queen to rook. Queen to rook.
Sir, f7
Sir,
checkmate.
discard check.
F7 mate, F7 mate, F7 mate.
Not mate, sir.
King
We'll
can
get
come.
a
Sir,
We will get a queen.
Yes, sir. Queen.
and will get his no.
Rook.
So now bishop
rook,
into
It is support.
Bishop to queen.
sir knight h5. Knight
Knight h5.
knight h5.
So I think it's gone wrong somewhere.
Rook into this rook into.
Sir, queen into rook. So queen into knight, sir.
Queen into knight is correct. That is correct. Queen into knight is correct. Queen into queen. Now we have. Now it's unstoppable checkmate.
Yeah, sir.
No, sir, it's mate.
It is checkmate now.
The rook is pinned to the king is pinned. Queen is
King is-
pinned.
Is
Queen is
pinned.
pinned.
Yeah, sir.
White to play. White to play and win.
Sir, what is the type of pin on if it is directly pinned to the king?
It is absolute pin. It is absolute pin.
Sir,
There-
The other type of pin?
need to
pawn
F7.
is-
other type of
Relative
pin is relative pin.
Need F7. Need
Okay,
F7.
sir.
Pawn
thank
into
you.
pawn.
Pawn to pawn.
Pawn to pawn, then pawn to rook.
Can you take it back? I have a doubt.
What is that? What is first move on?
Problem.
Last problem. Okay. Rook into what is it? Rook into
Sir, rook into pawn.
So rook into pawn. Sir.
rook into pawn.
What's
Now queen to rook.
Queen,
Now
queen into knight.
knight. Now queen to queen. Then pawn push checkmate.
7, 8.
Mate, checkmate. Did you get it, Saudya?
Yes, sir.
White to plain win. White to plain win.
The pawn into pawn.
Pawn to pawn.
KG7, then pawn to
KG.
rook, sir.
The pawn into rook.
Rook.
What will you
Pawn
take?
into
Queen.
queen, sir. Queen.
The queen.
Bishop to rook. Bishop to rook.
Sir,
Sir.
queen.
Sir, queen to bishop.
The queen into bishop.
Knight to f5. Knight to f5, sir. Knight to f5.
Now king moves here.
The knight f5.
Knight F.
Sir,
Now king moves here. Now queen moves here. Then knight F5 is not there. Queen here check. Now unstoppable checkmate is there. Unstoppable checkmate.
yes, sir.
King H5, then bishop F3 checkmate. Did you get it?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, sir.
White to play and win. How is the
Sir, sir, NG5. Nice, sir.
NG5?
Very good.
NG5. White to play.
The pawn.
Pawn to pawn.
Sir, knight to pawn.
Pawn
Sir,
to pawn.
NG5.
Pawn to pawn. Knight to pawn. What will you do?
The QF5.
QF5. Now king here.
Sir, QF6.
QF6.
f6.
Then king into knight.
So
Sir,
queen into
QF7.
knight.
Queen to,
Sir,
Sir,
queen to knight.
Sir, unstoppable.
no, it's unstoppable. Look, not it.
Sir, now queen has queen h6, sir. Queen h6.
Queen F6.
King will
Queen
move here.
H6.
Okay?
Sir, rook g. Oh no.
No, it's not possible.
Sir, why can't we
Sir, it is RG.
RG6 king can go to F7.
RG6, sir.
RG. So king F7. King F7.
Queen
RF6.
G.
RF6.
Queen F.
Queen
Queen
G7.
here correct. Queen G H7 correct. Now king moves. Then
Sir, what?
rook G8.
Sir, queen G7 also is correct, no, sir?
Queen G7 is also correct. Queen G7 is also correct. It is checkmate.
Yes, sir.
Queen G7 is also checkmate.
Now, because of the rook, it's blocking and it's checkmate. If that rook is not there, it's mate.
Okay.
No, it's not mate.
Whatever.
White to play and win. White to play and win.
Sir, queen to pawn.
King to
The
pawn.
queen to queen.
King to pawn. Now queen to queen.
RE1 mate.
R1 mate. R1 mate.
RE1. It's
Now
not
king
mate,
of-
sir.
King can't come
It
here.
is.
Checkmate.
Sir, queen E4, then RE4 mate.
RE4.
RE.
correct. White to play and win. White to play and win. Get it.
Oh, the queen can block it.
White to play and exchange the queen and get a queen.
How, sir?
White to play. White to play, exchange the queens and get a new queen.
The QF6. QF6.
Queen into F6.
Sir, queen D4. Queen D4.
ND7.
ND7. ND7. Now king moves, then knight into queen. Unstoppable.
So
Unstoppable.
the
Sir, how, sir?
No, unstoppable queen. Pawn push.
Oh, whatever bishop does, it's nothing. It's unstoppable.
Unstoppable queen.
so it can no, the bishop will also.
Not stoppable.
White to play. White to play. Tell the bishop. White to play.
Sir, RD1.
No, white to play. RD1, then queen will go to E6.
Yes, sir.
The NG6.
NG6 is correct. Who told that?
Sir Tarun.
Tarun, correct. Queen to queen. Queen to queen.
Knight
Sir,
into
then
rook.
rook to rook. Knight to rook.
Right.
Then again fork.
It's fork.
Then we have one rook up. One rook
One.
up.
Correct.
One queen up.
No,
White to play. White to play. White to play in B.
sir, NG5.
In G5, then queen will kill the knight. That is wrong.
Sir, then pawn to knight.
Then rook into queen.
Sir, queen into rook, sir.
Queen into rook is correct. Now queen to queen.
Sir,
Knight G5.
Knight G5. G5 correct.
fork.
Now fork. And knight
And
up.
we have
rook
one
up.
rook up, sir. One rook up.
Look up. One rook up.
Sir, no, sir. Then we will become one pawn down.
No, one rook up. No.
Oh, yeah.
Pawn,
Yes,
sorry.
sir.
Yes, sir. One rook versus one rook up, sir.
White to play. White to play. Oh, same problem. Sorry. Black to play and win. Black to play and win.
Sir, ND3. QD3. ND3, sir. ND3.
ND3, then bishop will kill the knight. That's wrong.
Sir, black to play, sir.
Black to play. I flip the board.
NH2.
NH2 is also wrong. Black to play.
Sir, Queen G1. Queen G1.
Queen G1, correct.
Queen G1.
Judah told correctly. Judah no. Judah no. Correct.
Yes,
Now knight into queen into queen.
sir. Any to fork.
NE2 knight
Fork.
into fork. Correct.
Right into bishop into queen also.
Fork. Correct.
What about QF2?
What about queen F2?
I said no, sir, I think.
It is not possible. Queen G1 is correct. Now knight king kills. Now knight into E2.
It's fork, sir.
It's fork.
Sir, your slide is lagging a lot, sir.
For me, it's not lagging, sir.
Black to play. Black to play.
Sir, NF2.
F2.
NF2.
F2. King G1.
Sir, knight into rook.
Knight into rook.
No.
Now pawn to rook. Pawn to knight.
Pawn to queen.
Sir,
Pawn
Queen
to queen.
G7 8, sir. Without,
No, it's
Sir, one.
there is a check is there. There is white is giving
Oh, yes, sir. I got it.
knight.
we are
is-
one rook up.
Knight check is there. Now king moves knight into rook. Check. Pawn push. Then
Yes, sir.
pawn to queen.
Pawn to queen.
Black to play.
We are
Black
one rook up.
one rook. Black to play. 1 minute. Go to rest.
Bishop into pawn.
Bishop into pawn. Okay. King into bishop.
Sir, N into E4.
Then to E4.
What if queen kills the bishop?
What if queen kills? Then knight D3. Queen kills. Then knight D3.
ND3.
Then D3.
One knight, one bishop for one queen.
Yes, correct. White to play. White to play. Sorry, white to play. I flip the board. White to play.
Sir, white to play.
White to play. White to play.
Sir, bishop into rook.
Bishop into rook.
Sir, QH8. QH8.
Bishop
Two
into,
H8.
now
Two
queen.
H8.
Now queen H8. Now queen H8. Now queen H8. King into H8. Now knight into queen. Knight into rook. One rook. One knight
Yes,
up.
sir.
Did you get it?
Yes, sir. This was nice, sir. This
Sir, can you
problem.
show again?
Okay. Bishop into rook. Now rook into bishop. First. Now queen H1 check. Queen H8 check. King H8.
Okay.
Now knight F7 check. Check.
Sir, Sir, this was very tricky, sir.
Very tricky. No? Now king moves, knight into queen.
दरवाजा खुलता भी है.
White to play in win.
Sir, queen h8.
Queen h8, then king will come here. It is wrong.
Sir, rook into knight.
Rook into knight, okay. Now queen to rook.
Sir, QG8, sir.
Now queen h8.
Sir, QH8. Now
Now
QH8,
QH8.
sir.
Now queen h8, king moves. Now
The queen into rook. Queen into rook.
Correct.
Queen into rook.
Now king into queen. Now
The knight f7 check.
Correct. Correct.
And knight f7.
King moves, then knight into
Then we
queen.
are
Knight.
we are one rook up.
One rook up.
One rook up.
Exchange up.
Exchange
not rook
up.
up.
Exchange up. Correct. Black to play in win. Black to play in win.
Sir, we are not one piece up, sir. Rook is stronger. Bishop,
Yeah,
sir.
rook is stronger than bishop. Correct.
Okay, sir.
Queen into pawn.
Queen into pawn.
Oh no, the knight is blocking. Wait, sir. Yeah, queen into pawn is correct, sir.
First move is
What is that?
first move. What is the first move?
Pawn.
Sir, rook to d1. rd1.
Who told that? Judana. Judana.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now
sir.
queen look into rook. What will you do?
Now queen into pawn.
Sir, queen h2.
Now king
After
into h2. King here. What will you do? Now
Now queen
queen into rook.
G1, sir. Queen G1.
Queen G2,
Queen to
Queen G3 is correct. Now knight queen, now you can fork. Knight E3. What is
Sir, but it's
Sir,
gonna
but what
be
is the
equal.
advantage?
one
Pawns.
two pawns up, two pawns up.
3, sir.
Yeah, three
Sir,
pawns
three
up,
pawns
sir.
up.
We are
Three pawns
We
up.
have
Three
3
pawns.
pawns, sir.
Three
We have
pawns.
7. They have only 4 pawns.
Yes.
3 pawns, sir.
Three
4
pawns.
pawns. 3 pawns, sir.
Yes, sir.
Black to play.
We are
Black
also attacking.
Black to play. I'll flip the board. Black to play.
Sir, rook d1. rd1. Sir, rd1.
RD1 is correct. RD1 is correct. Who told that? Now what will you do?
Sir, QB7.
No, not QB7. RD1, what will you do? Now you can get a fork, giving rook.
Sir, RG1.
RG1 is correct. Now king E1. Now knight F.
NF3.
Sir, what if king doesn't take, sir?
King is forced
Yeah.
to take. But king is forced to take. King can go. If it comes here, then knight here take.
Yes, sir.
It's
Okay.
forced to. Now king takes. Now the knight F. King moves. Knight into queen.
We are one queen up.
One queen up. Black to play in win. Black to play in win.
Sir, is it black to play?
Black to play. Yes.
Sir, can you shift the board?
Okay. Black to play.
Sir, after I want to show RG6.
Or no, rook movement. Rook movement.
Sir, rg6. rg6.
RG6 is wrong.
RG.
Sir, after knight takes. Oh, yes.
R
Sir, rg6.
RE5.
RG6 then king will come here.
RE5.
RE5, okay.
Sir, RE5.
Now bishop into right. Now can you tell?
Sir, queen to knight. Queen to knight.
Queen to pawn.
Queen to pawn.
Queen to pawn.
King moves. Now queen to rook.
Yes, sir.
Now knight F2. Check. We are
We
one
are one
rook.
rook up.
One knight up. One knight up.
Yes, sir.
Can you chant mantra?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Namaskanta Shastramurte Shastrapadak Shirobhave Shastramne Purusha Shastra Shastra Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Sir, I want
Sir, 1 second, sir. I have a doubt.
Okay, what is it?
Sir, when in trial tournament, sir, when I berserk, sir, that 1 minute will make no, sir. 1 minute 30 seconds.
Okay. Yes.
That I'm not getting 3 points extra, sir. But all
If you
are
win, you will get. If you win, you will get. If you
I'm
lose, you
winning,
won't
sir.
get.
I'm winning. I win the games, but I don't get any points. I
It
don't
will
know why. sir.
automatically. Computer calculates that. What is that? Nice picture. Nice.
In how many moves you checkmated, it depends.